Let's say we'll start with the line chart. For line chart, we recommend, let me take a few cases which we'll be using for line chart. We prefer for time series based data. In our case, you can take a order date versus sales and profit, or whatever you want, you can take it. So let me take sales profit, then we'll go for dual axis fundamentals. So I'll say order date, I'll say sales. There I want a line chart should be created. Click on line. You will be getting line for that. If you are saying I'm looking for profit also, you can drag the profit. We'll be getting two charts parallelly where you can get the values. If you are looking for the I want single chart to be there, you can do the dual axis option available. Otherwise, you can make your own choice to customize this. Let me remove profit from here first. I want this profit should be segregated based on my category. So I'm sorry, this is sales. Yes, sales to be segregated based on my category. So I'm getting furniture there, office supply there, and technology there. So I'm separate line altogether for all the values. So if you are looking for month-wise, quarter-wise, other things are there which you can take a call, which value you want to go for. And the same thing is that you can, if I show the value here in label, so here I can, rather than showing all values, I do have option of customizing it. So I say rather than I show, I'll take maximum minimum of the selected value, whatever data you have selected. Line and only I want value to be there. And most recent if your data is there, otherwise it is not required. So highlighted means if you put any highlight, then only show the data values, otherwise data value will not be visible. So that's the case you can take care. I prefer, let me go with a maximum minimum, or you can say line end. It's very good for me. So from starting beginning we are having this much of sales of this category furniture, and thereafter there's some up and downs are there. Still at end of this last data value we are having lakh rupees, or you can say value which you had given, it's you can say 138,000 approx. So that's a line chart which you can customize.